Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Princess of Aesthetically Princess, and if you do not know who I am Princess. If you're new here, hi. On this channel I do a multitude of things, from hair to skincare to art, and today I am filming something new, which is what I eat in a day. So I am up, it's like 10 o'clock. I've been up since 7 a.m. I just didn't want to get out of bed, but I'm currently hungry and very tired, so I need something to eat. Also, it's really cold, so I'm gonna have to go find something hot because I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna take us to the kitchen because I think I'm gonna do oatmeal and coffee, probably iced coffee, literally just because. So I will see you guys momentarily. Okay, so I figured out what I want to do, so I'm going to go with oatmeal. I actually found a recipe for gingerbread oatmeal to get me in the season from a girl called Veggiekins. I've talked about her before. I enjoy her page. She has a vegan recipe blog, so I'm making her gingerbread oatmeal recipe. I'm going to leave it linked down below. So, oops. She uses gluten-free oats because she's gluten-free, but I am not, so I will not. I need the water and I'll put it on boil. I'm following my regular recipe of, like, you know, making oatmeal as you should if you follow the box. So, put this on the stove. And I'm also going to make myself some coffee. So this one, since this will stay here, and I can put this up. I have all of my things that I'm going to need for it. The only thing I'm doing is I'm substituting the cashew butter for sunflower seed butter because I have it. And then I don't use maple syrup, so I'm just going to use a little bit of sugar instead. Not a lot, but just a little bit. So I will see you guys when I'm done. So I'm still here. I'm currently making myself some coffee, so that I can, you know, wake up. But this is my last coffee pod, so I'm out of coffee after that. Well, I'm also out of creamer, so it won't be that nice, especially because I leave next week. So, yeah. That'd be nice. I'm making myself an iced coffee because, you know, hot food, hot coffee, not with it. I will see you when my oatmeal's done. Have fun. So it's like almost 2 o'clock right now, and I'm getting kind of peckish, and so this is what I'm having right now. I'm probably going to make something to eat at like 3 o'clock because right now I'm only kind of peckish, but my sister also had lunch, already had breakfast, so we'll probably share like a snack, I guess. I already have an idea of what I'm going to make though, so we're gonna end up sharing something. So right now, eating hippies until then, because she's currently in class, so 3 o'clock I'll probably make something. Okay, so it's like literally like almost 5 o'clock now. I was going to make French fries, like loaded French fries, but the problem is I just looked in the freezer, realized that somebody ate all the French fries, so I can't have loaded French fries. But what I can have is a smoothie. I also have like pasta, water currently on the oven because I'm kind of hungry and I don't want chips or anything like that. And I want the smoothie really bad. So I'm going to make a small smoothie and then make a small thing of pasta. I mean, it's only almost 5 o'clock. And my mom's supposed to be picking up food for everyone. So I have this Dole mixed fruit thing. It's got like mango, pineapple, strawberries, and I think this is about it. And I'm going to add some more pineapple to it, but, you know, right now I'm just going to have this. So let's start making it. Too much. Way too much. Okay, so I already drained out the pasta from my pasta water. I'm still in the current process of drinking my smoothie, but I'm literally about to make the rest of my pasta because my noodles are finished. So I used bottled stuff only because I'm too lazy to make it. So I'm not quite a fan of this one, but I tried a new one this week. So this is what we have. So let's eat lunch finally. For dinner, I am having Chick-fil-A, mostly because it tastes really good and it's cheap and it's late at night. I usually just get like nuggets or a sandwich and I'll top it with sauces later. I don't really get anything on it. I don't like the taste of cheese or pickles on top of my sandwich. But that is all on a sweet tea. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay guys, I'm just coming on to end the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. I hope you did. This is the first time I've ever filmed one of these, and I'm not like a cook or anything. Actually, if anything, like I don't cook at all. But today I kind of just was like, I'm gonna do just a what I eat in a day before I leave for my trip. So that's kind of what today's video was. If you want to see more of what I eat in days, because I just eat, I do cook for myself sometimes, but other times I kind of just figure out what I'm really craving and then I make the attempt. Sometimes I eat vegan, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I try and eat healthy. Today was like a mix of the two, of me trying to be both healthy but like not at the same time. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know. Excuse me, I look sick and tired because I am sick and tired, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.